Today I'm going to show you how to use the hypervolt machine to work on piriformis issues. So you want to start out distal to medial. You're working the glute med towards the piriformis. I'm going to take a few passes towards the midline. And I'm using the bullet head attachment because it can really focus in on a specific area. So after a couple passes, I'll take this hip through a range of motion, internal and external rotation. Working down towards the attachment here at the greater trochanter.